Today we're going to be checking out the LUBA 3000 made by Mammotion. I believe that's how you pronounce it. So this has the LiDAR technology. You know, if you have a bunch of trees or a heavy canopy where your yard is, then your mower just gets lost. So this is supposed to be top of the line. We're going to find out. Stay tuned. Let's see what we've got. Quick start guide, pretty easy to read. All right. Looks like this has your RTK poles. I'm not sure if this is for your RTK or LiDAR or both. Front bumper. Owner's booklet right there. All right, so this uses a few different types of systems. This is RTK. And it has LiDAR as well. So between all the GPS systems it has, it shouldn't get lost. The top shield for the charging station. Side guards. Let's see what's in here. All right, your stakes for your base station. Your accessory kit. All right, so that's your charging cord and your block. And there's another, looks like your antenna. And the mower itself. This thing's a beast. All right, check that out. And so you've got some tools. Looks like a couple fuses, a cleaning brush, some screws. And these are these are actually stakes for your charging station. And the charging station itself. All right, so now we're just going to want to plug this in. To get that little click. And it does have a R and a L, right, left. So it says to just pop it in there. There you go. And now that that's in, we'll tighten these screws down. Phillips head on the front bumper. There's one. Comes with 4, but looks like you only need 2. We're just going to lay this upside down. And these side guards are going to be your star. And you'll see they only line up, they only go one way. Those razor blades. All right. They're actually fairly thick blades as well. And you can use them at least twice because you can flip it around. I believe these spin in reverse of each other, so. It's a serious looking mower. All right. I mean, it's got coil front suspension. That's crazy. This is supposed to just snap right in. That's it. So that'll keep that out of the weather. I do have a garage that I ordered for it that came with the mower. It'll be here tomorrow. But this thing will just back up, dock, and charge. Check that out. That is neat. Front camera system, LiDAR. Let's get this thing going, see how it cuts grass.